Yeah, hello again. Uh, Today we will see how a marriage is seen using ALP concepts. Okay, so I'll share a chart. This actually happened, so it will be interesting to see how the marriage happened. Okay, so as per ALP, which has been found by Purodi Murthy, so he according to him, according to Sri Purodi Murthy, he says one. Okay, so 1, 4, 7, 10. Okay, these places indicate marriage time. Okay. So the first question of this thing saying that from the Lagna, if you take Janma, the fourth house ALP standing, so this is also a good sign for marriage. And from the ALP, if you look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth where the D9 is running. So this is also indicating a good marriage time. Okay. So these two are positive. So let's go ahead and see how did this marriage happen. Okay, for your information, this is a second marriage. So the second marriage rule is basically the second and the 11th house has to get connected. Okay, let's see how it gets connected. Look at the ALP Lagna. Okay, the house owner is in the 11th. It's in good shape. Yes, it's in good shape. So ALP itself is in Mrgashesha. Okay, Mrgashesha. So which is Mars, which is in the 12th house, so which is not a very good combination, but it's still good because it's also the owner of the 7th house here. Okay, so you can take it as Subhabhavasthana. Okay, so it still supports because the 7th house is supporting it here. The 7th house nakshatra lord, if you look at it, okay, the 7th house nakshatra that is here is Jeshta. Again, it is Mercury. Okay, again it is Mercury. So since it is Mercury, so what we can see is where is Mercury sitting in? Is Mercury sitting in this place? So which is in the 11th. So Mercury is also owner of the second house. This house is also owned by Mercury. The 5th house is also owned by Mercury. The 11th house also Mercury is sitting there, and here also Mercury is the nakshatra. So as per the ALP rules, the 1, 4, 7, 10 D9 falls there. So that's one match. The second match is like 2 and 11 has to combine and work together. So 2 and 11 is working, and it was his preference. It's like more like a love marriage. So Mercury coming in 5th again falls that. And if you look at the 5th house, let's go and see the 5th house. 5th house is Chitra. Chitra is nothing but Mars. Mars is the owner of the 7th house. So when you put everything together, so the marriage is quite possible, and it exactly happened on 27/11/2021. I didn't predict the date, but I said in the after September 20th, your marriage before and somewhere in between September and October, your marriage will happen. Okay, so it happened on 27th. So this is how you see. Okay, you see like you see the LP where it falls. Okay, you see the LP where it falls. Then you see where marriage means 7th house, and second marriage means you have to see the 2nd and the 11th connectivity, and you have to see the ALP D9. He has to fall in either in 1, 4, 7, and 10, and here it falls in. This is a perfect match to predict and see how a marriage can happen. It's so easy to identify using ALP's concept. So easy to know. So I'll be putting on more such short videos, which will be of eye opener to small things from daily life, like marriages, jobs, diseases, and all those things. So hope you liked it. If you enjoy it, do comment it if you want one of your charts to be read. I will try to adjust my time and see if I can read some charts and do share it with you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.